inside the Niger Delta.
The Minister of State for Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Omotayo Alasha Odura, says the ministry has zero tolerance for the culture of projects abandonment under the leadership of Senator Godswill Akpabio. Senator Alasha Odura gave the assurance recently when he went to inspect the ministry's housing scheme at Sokmomba Road in Benin City, the Edo State capital. Correspondent Kenna Miofuri has details.
The Sokmomba Housing Estate project was awarded in 2010 to provide quality and affordable accommodation for its beneficiaries. Although the project has reached an advanced stage, it has been stalled by lack of support and cooperation from its host community for what is described as its poor delivery. While on an inspection tour of the housing scheme, Senator Alasha Odura observed some gaps in its conception but vowed that its ministry would revive the project to avoid wastage in the system. In his meeting with Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki at Government House, Benin, Senator Alasha Odura brought the subject to the fore.
Very discouraged and sad when I saw the housing scheme that is being put up by our ministry in this state. It was so bushy, almost everything has been vandalized. And I believe even if that place had been completed completely, people would not want to come there. We should try and work out a synergy on how, when projects are conceived, they should be discussed with states so that we don't have duplication of efforts.
In his response, Governor Obaseki, who promised to work with the ministry to revive the housing project, also underscored the need for closer collaborations in key aspects of the economy, particularly in energy development.
We must begin to look at areas of collaboration. If the World Bank, UNICEF, other governments can come in and do joint projects with states, there's really no reason why federal ministries can't come and do joint projects with states or bring a group of states together to collaborate on a mega project. So in the area of energy sufficiency, particularly electricity, looking at the distribution and transmission networks.
During his recent tour of the Niger Delta, Senator Alasha Odura was in Government House, AKUGHA, to meet with Governor Rotimi Akeredolu. At the meeting, Senator Alasha Odura informed his host that the Niger Delta Ministry will in the present dispensation focus on legacy projects.
Now, we are not going to participate in too many projects because as at today, the NDDC has close to 12,000 abandoned projects. So if we now decide to start awarding contracts upon contracts again, we will be adding to the problem that is already pervasive. So we decided, and Mr. President agreed with us, that we should go for what we call legacy projects. And what I have chosen as the number one legacy project of Ondo State is that link road from here to Lagos.
This issue of forensic auditing is so important. And I'm happy that you are taking it the way it's supposed to be. Because there are so many abandoned projects by NDDC in Ondo State. We don't need new project. Go and complete the ones you have on ground.
Both leaders also discussed efforts made so far to commence work on the Akure Ado Ekiti and Elijah Lagos road construction projects.
Inside the Niger Delta.